Hello guys, today we will do the rear bumper, which is removing it, sanding it, and applying the same bed liner coating that we use for the bull bar and the front bumper. So let's jump to it right away. Our RickStuff store is finally open, so go on spreadshirt.ca today to save as much as 15% on your RickStuff gear and accessories. Type RickStuff in the search bar and you will be redirected directly on our store page, where you'll find everything you need, whether it is for man, woman, kids, or even dog accessories. We need to remove this bolt and this bolt on both sides. As you can see, I already disconnect the lights from the license plate, so only those 2 bolts on each side, which is 4 bolts total, and the bumper will fail in my hand, or it's supposed to do that. There's another bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it. We'll have to remove it as well. So you see the bolt I removed are this one, and this one on both sides. It's very easy to remove. It will be even easier to reinstall because I will clean the bolt and I will oil them and put some anti-seize so it won't be jammed if I need to remove it again. So it will be faster to remove, but now I need to remove the plastic trim on the bumper and start sanding it. As you can see, it's just plastic clip that holding the thing, and one here on the bottom, which is it's upside down. Plastic clip here. The good part about that is the screws for the license plate won't never get stuck because the thread is in plastic. Since my trim removing tools are in the shipping, I have to use my imagination to remove those things using a nail. The way it works, just fit in here, and those clip avoid the trim to get out, so you just push the pin so it get in straight up like that. It's easy, but it's not a right tool. Should use a right tool to avoid breaking those pins. So those are the pieces that I need to sand. I decided to sand the tip of the exhaust as well, because as you can see it's pretty ugly, so I will do it bed liner coating as well, and the two piece of the bumper. So now I'm ready to sand. Hey guys, so I'm ready to paint. It's all sanded and cleaned. Again, I cleaned it with alcohol. They all sanded. That gap here was pretty hard to sand. I did as the best I could. There's obviously a plastic trim, the top of the bumper going there. So I made a rack. Will be easier to paint all around without touching them or moving them, risking to make fingerprints or drop it. So I have both end of the bumper, the two bracket, and the tip, the exhaust tip on the other side. So next step is to paint. So I will update you very soon with the result. This is it guys, I'm done with the paint. I did 4 coat on that since it's in the back. There's the draft of the snow always rolling behind the car, and also a lot of gravel hitting the bumper because it's right between the rear wheels, sorry. So I gave 1 extra coat. I painted the bracket as well, and I've already installed the tip. It was chrome, now it's black. Obviously the clip won't show when the bumper will be at this place. So now I'm ready to put back the bumper together and install it on the truck. So stay tuned. Hey guys, even if this bumper is pretty cheap, it is actually very easy to install, since on the reinstallation you can install both ends, and after that put the plastic cover or trim on it, and just make sure the notch are aligned with the teeth of the plastic, and step on it until it click at its place. So it's pretty easy actually. After that I will just have the 2 plastic pin to put back at their place, and it will be hit. So it's pretty easy. I will update you as soon as it will be installed. This is it guys, my bumper is black. As you can see, I got a big dent in the tailgate right here. Been a little incident before I have it. I will fix it soon because I need to rethink the setup of the tailgate. I will remove the dealership sticker and the F-150 logo because I have my black one. Still don't know exactly how I will install it, but I need to do something with it. I'm not sure yet if I will install the handle with the backup camera in it. Still thinking about that. And I will do something about the logo because there's chrome on it. I will get rid of the chrome, but I need to think of something to do with the logo. I will let the logo there, but I will change the color. So this is it for now guys. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a good day and see you later. Goodbye.